again to Simple Tech Channel. Thank you for joining us. We are going to be continuing from where we stopped from the previous video, and that is going to be Microsoft Word tools, how to use the tools. Thank you very much. Well, based on what we discussed from the previous video, we said this is used for the save. You use this button to save your document, to undo, to redo, print preview, and saving your document, the name, the title here. Then we discuss about this aspect also. So today we are going to be discussing on the file. The file here we have information. That's the information about your document, compatible mode, protect document, and inspect document, whatever type you want. But that one is necessary for a beginner. You don't need to know about that. Maybe in an advanced Microsoft Word, we will discuss about that. Then here is the new. If you want to create a new document, as I've explained earlier, we have suggestions for you to select from. Just click on this one if you're creating a blank new document. You're tired of working on that one. You want to have, maybe you need a new document to work on. Just come to the file, click on the file here, new, then click on blank document. So open is used to open the document you've been working on before, just like a recent file that I explained earlier. So you just click on open to open it. These are the files, the document I've been working on yesterday. So easily you can click on it and it's going to take you back um to the document, so you can edit or do whatever you want to do on it. So we have, in case the file you're looking for is not here, you can easily click on the browse. While here is to save on the cloud if you're connected to the internet and your Microsoft Word is connected to your email, like it's linked to your email address, you can easily save here to your OneDrive. That's your Gmail. Here to save to this PC, and that's just you clicking on browse, and it's going to take you to an entire screen where you can select where you want to save or open your document from. Here, we save. That's to save your document. If you want to save it, we are going to explain it one by one later. Save as is also the same thing as saving, but here you get to choose. Are you saving as open document? Are you saving as Word document? Are you saving as PDF document or whatever? Here is the print. If you want to print a document, so you can select, decide on whatever type of document you want to print here. Here is to share using the email, connect to the internet, link and all. Here is to export, and here is to close. If you have an account, here is to decide how you want your account to look like, to change your accounts, change your photos, switch account and all. Here is other options. You don't need to do this one. It's just concerning the Microsoft Word also. Now let's discuss about the save. I want to save my document. That's the first thing you want to know about this. How to save your document. Then I have to save my document. I will have to go to, is either we have two options in saving. If you know how to use your shortcut on your keyboard, is either you use your Ctrl S, but I wouldn't recommend you using Ctrl S right now because it's too early. Just come to this file and click on save as. If you use save, fine, it's going to save because this is the first saving. It's going to save also, but it's better, and I would recommend that you use save as to save your document. So just click on save as. Here you get to decide, are you saving on your OneDrive or your PC? So I would suggest you save on your computer so you can easily find it. Saving on your OneDrive, you need to be connected to the internet to look for it again. So, but saving on your PC, you can you can navigate and look for your document anytime you want to work on it, with or without internet connection. So I'll browse for a place to save my document. Right now I have here quick access. I don't need that. Microsoft, but it's best to just, since we are saving on our PC, just try to find this PC. Find this PC by this side, the left hand side of this page that you're seeing right now. Then navigate to document. Make sure you're saving inside document. It's better to save inside document for easy accessibility. So just click on document. To know that you are currently on document, you see the document is currently highlighted. So that shows that you have clicked. that my document should be saved inside the document. And again, you can use this place, this PC document to know that okay, currently I'm saving this inside the document. Then again, file name. This should determine what name are you saving your document. Let's say I want to save my document as the new work, for example, new work. So I'm saving it as new work. Forget about any attachment, any tag. Just save it as new work. Then save as type. I can choose whatever type I want to save my document as. So just click on this arrow down. You see, are you saving as what document, what macro, enable document, what 97, what template, what macro enable, PDF, XPS, single file, web page, everything has its own function. But for the purpose of this training, we are going to be saving as Word document. Word document. We're going to be saving as Word document. So that is it. Select Word document and you click on save. Forget this one. This is the author name of the PC. Just don't worry about this one. We'll talk about this one later in an advanced Microsoft to use. So just forget about this one and click on save. That's it. Your first Microsoft Word document has been saved on your document inside your computer. Now, to know that the document has been saved, I told you earlier that we were having document one here before as the title. Now we saved as new work. Then the title has been changed to new work dot document. So that is it. That's the first thing, saving. Subsequently, you can easily click on this to save whatever you're doing after typing anything on the screen. You can just click on save to save it. That's all. So it's easier, and computer can easily auto save for you. Sometimes you forget to save, so computer can easily auto save for you. The printing, let's not talk about the printing today. We'll talk about that one later. All right. So now we have oh, using the tools in Microsoft Word. How do we use the tools in Microsoft Word? Majorly, most of the tools, the major tools we use is under home bar. So we have insert tool, we have design and all, but the main one we use is under the home bar. So under the home bar we have the paste, you have the paste, you have the cut, copy, format, painter, we have font, we have bold, italic, underline, we have strike through, we have subscript, superscript, we have the font size, we have increase font size, decrease font size. We have plenty of these tools. Okay, we have text effects to change your text to make it look somehow different and fancy. We have capitalize, change case. We have text alight color, text color to clear all formatting. These are bullets, different type of bullets, the three. So we have align left, align center, align right. You have justify. We have line space, that's paragraph spacing. We have dense, decrease indent, increase indent, and we have shading. We have borders. We have arrangement, that's to sort. This is cute, like some other stuff. Then these are the formatting also in case you want to use a style created for you by the computer, by Microsoft Word. Just click on anyone easily. Yeah, we have different type of formatting. So but I'll suggest that you start with your own work on yourself so you can decide whatever format you like to use. So here we have find. If you're looking for, maybe you have a very large document and you need to find something inside the document, you can easily click on this find to just type whatever you want to you're looking for here, and it's going to find it for you. Here we have replace. We'll talk about the replace later, the select and the editing. So let's start with the paste. How do we use the paste? I'm typing. Pasting is after you copy something, you want to paste it. Let's for example, let me type uh, how to paste as the first thing, right? I have how to paste here on my screen, and I want to copy and paste it also. Maybe I want this how to paste in three places. I don't need to start typing again, like how to or whatever, how to paste in three times again. I can easily copy, highlight this thing. How do I highlight? Just place your cursor here, click and hold it down, then drag it to the left. Either way, you can come to this place, click and hold your cursor down, your mouse, and drag your mouse to the right. Either way, again, click and hold your mouse. That's left click and hold your mouse and drag it to the left, or left click and hold your mouse and drag it to the right. Either way. So now I'm highlighting. Yeah, I want to copy this write up and paste it again under this write up. So if you notice something without highlighting, that means I don't have anything selected without highlighting. This cut or copy is not highlighted until I have something selected. And to select something, I have to highlight it. If you don't highlight something, you won't be able to work on it. So you highlight to work on that particular um, write up. That's selection. Highlight to select. Now I've highlighted how. Okay, let's say. Okay, yeah, I highlight how. Then cut. I want to use copy, not cut. If I should use cut, that means I'm cutting it away, deleting everything. Cut, then pasting it again. But right now I don't want to use cut. I don't want to cut it. I want to copy it. So it's going to remain there, but I'll still have a duplicate. So I'm copying. After copying, remove the highlight. Then you can either use enter if you want to paste it under, or you use spacebar if you want to paste it in front. So pasting it in front, I click on paste, and I have another type of how to paste in front of how to paste. If I want to paste another one in front, I don't need to highlight anymore since I still have the how to paste copied already in my mouse, in my cursor. Before typing anything, I can spacebar and click on paste again. I'll still have it again. If I want to paste it under, the mouse is already there, or if the mouse is there and I want to paste it under, just press on enter. Or I don't want this line, I want another under, enter. I don't want it on that line, I want it under. So either way, any place you want to, just keep on using enter, enter to take it to wherever you want to paste it. Then click on paste, you have it. Paste, you have it. As many as you want. That's what paste does. This paste will only expire after you've copied something else, or you've been typing for a very long time. Like you copy something and you've been typing for a very long time, then the paste will expire. Or maybe I copy, for example, I if I should paste now, I'm still pasting how to paste. But if I should copy how alone right now, I'm selecting how and I'm copying the how, then the how to paste is expired. I have currently copied the how. So this is what I have right now. If I should paste here, I'll have ordinary how pasted. So it's as easy as that. You don't have to be confused. Select whatever you want to copy, copy, then go to the place you want to paste it and click on paste. You have some shortcut on the keyboard if you want to. We use Ctrl C to copy after highlighting. You can use Ctrl C to copy, or Ctrl and then Ctrl V to paste. So, but we'll get to that one later. For now, let's focus on what we have on the screen. So that is that about copying and paste. Right? I want to cut. Fine. Let's talk about the cut. Highlight. Okay, I want to cut these two. I want to bring them down. So I highlight, select this how to paste the two. Then I cut. You see, everything is going to disappear. Then bring it to wherever you want to paste it. Then use your paste to paste. One thing is the computer don't get to go to the next page only for you. Understand? The computer don't get to go to next page for you. Sometimes you need to go to the next I mean the next line yourself. You need to get to the next line yourself by going to the last letter. After the last letter on the letter on the right top current lab in your screen, just go to the last letter, click on it and use enter. As easy as that. So that is the copying and the pasting. The copying and the pasting is very easy. Let's do it again. I want to paste a letter. Let me say, for example, how to paste a letter. So I want to copy and paste ordinary paste again because I need it somewhere else. So I light or select the paste. copy, then go to wherever you want to paste it and paste. As easy as that. Okay, I don't want this TO here. I want to remove it and bring it to paste to. So after selecting it, cut, then it's going to live there. I want to paste it here, space bar, then paste. As easy as that. So that's all about the copying and the pasting. If format painter, we don't need to talk about format painter now. We don't really need it for a beginner. So let's move straight to the calibrate. That's the font. All right. Working on how to paste a letter. Let me delete this. Okay. How to paste a letter. So this is just a normal write-up. The default write-up I actually applied on my own computer. Some people will have this default font as Times New Roman. Some people will have default as area. So whatever, but you can change it if you want to. Just make sure you highlight the write-up you want to work on. Make sure you highlight the write-up you want to work on. That's one thing I need you guys to understand. After highlighting it, then you can come right here, click on this arrow down, then select whichever font you want to. We have millions, thousands of fonts here. If this one doesn't suit you, you can still go online to look for font if you have an internet connection. So let's just select any. Okay, let me select this shoe card gothic. Now you can see the font changed easily. The font changed. If I don't want everything to be this font, I want to change the font of just this letter, or for example just this space. I just have to select it, then go back to the font and change it. I want this one. So as easy as that. Anything you selected is what your computer is going to work on. You don't need to get confused. Anything you select is what your computer is going to work on. So as different as easy as that. Then I can decide to make everything in one font, Times New Roman or Area Black or Boas 93. That is it. As easy as that. Then the next one is to change the size. Highlight it also. Click on this arrow down. This is the font size to make it bigger, to make it smaller. So if you have a specific number that you want the light to work on, you can, instead of coming down here, you can just click here, delete the 11 and put a number there, 34, and enter. So you have your letter, your write up size changed. You can bring it, highlight it again. If you want it bigger, you have 72. 72 is not the highest. You can easily go back here if you want it so big, and maybe 100. 100 is okay. So it becomes bigger. You can select, okay, I want 200, becomes bigger. So how big you want it is for you to decide. Do you understand? So now we want to make it smaller. Let's use 36. All right, this is it. That's the size of the font we want to use. All right, the other one here, the big letter A. If you can see, as you can see, we have a big letter A and a small letter A. The big letter A is to increase or to auto increase your text. While the small one is to auto decrease your text. It's easier instead of coming here to change letter numbers. You can easily click here to increase it or click the small one to reduce it. That's it. As easy as that. We have this one as the increase font size and this one as a decrease font size. This is used in changing the case of your text. Changing the case of your text. Case is small letter, uppercase, lowercase, common capitalization, and all. So currently we are working on a sentence case. As you can see, this one is capital letter while others are in small letter. So I can decide to make everything capital letter by coming to this place and clicking on uppercase. This is sentence case. Currently is at sentence case. If I select lowercase, everything will remain lower. This has changed by itself to lowercase. If I should go back there, select uppercase, everything will change to uppercase. If I should go back there, select capitalize each word. That's to capitalize each word, the first letter of each word. It is, if I should click it, then we have H capitalized, T capitalized, P, A, and L capitalized. Then if I should go back there and toggle case, that's just to scatter the cases. So the computer is going to decide which one is to capitalize and which one is to print small. So as easy as that. But we remain sentence case for now. The B is to bold your font, your text, bold and unbold, bold and unbold. Well, this font we are using is currently not making us realize that uh, 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 it doesn't make us see the effect of the bold. So let's use a lighter font. Now we have a lighter font, Franklin. So if I should unbold, if you look at it, after, okay, let's highlight it, bold, then it's changed. Let's try a lighter font again. Let's try Calibri. Calibri, bold, on bold, Calibri normal. As easy as that. The bold is mostly used for subheading if you want to, subheading like or something you want to centralize and all. That's what you use the bold for. The I is italic to slant your italize the text. Easy as that. If I don't want it anymore, just click it again. If I want it again, click it again. If I want to italize just this piece, just highlight it and click on it. That's it. As easy as that. So, well, this one is underline. To underline your text. It's very easy. You get to decide what kind of underline you want, what kind of line you want. Is it this? So, and you get to decide the color of underline. How do you want it to be? How do you want the color to look like? Blue, white, yellow, whatever color you want to. So that's underline. Here is to strike through to cancel it out. You understand? So in some cases, let me remove the underline. In some cases, I want to, in some paragraph, you see it how to paste a letter or how to paste letter. Then I want to strike out this A because I'm not sure if I should have A here or I should not have it there. Then I can easily come here and click on strike through to strike it out. So it's either A is there or this one is showing that A is not there. You understand? So how to paste letter. That is the strike through. Mostly we use it for numbers, also we use it for letters and all. So then we have superscript, sorry. Superscript is mostly used for numbers. I want to write just like raised to power of something. I say 10 raised to power of 2. I want to write 10 raised to power of 2. After writing the 10, the whole number, then I want to raise to power of 2. Just click on this x raised to the power, this x raised to power 2 first, then type your 2. Anything, as far as this x2 is still highlighted, anything you're typing right now is going to be a superscript of 10. Anything you're writing right now is going to be a superscript of 10. As easy as that. If you unhighlight it, then you have a number back. So then at the same time, we can use a subscript too. If I want to write, if I want to anything I want to write now, I want it to be a subscript of this AGF DDT FDJY. Just click on this X subscript too. Then anything you're typing right now is going to be a subscript of this. That's that. It's like 10 raised to power 2 and 10 base 2. So in mathematics, 10 raised to the power of 2, 2. Then let me remove it. 10 base 2, base 2. Very easy. Don't forget to remove it after you're done writing your base. So write your number, click on which one you want, base or superscript or raised to the power. Select it and write whatever you want to write. Very easy. Don't forget to remove it. Let me delete this. Remove it. Aha. All right. The next one is font effect, text effect. Okay, let's use this how to paste a letter. Then you see different style, different effects just to make your text fancy and all. Let me say I'm selecting this one. All right, so it's different. That's just what that one is meant for. Officially, you don't use it for official document. So this one is to paste, is to color the background of your text. Color the background of your text. Just select any color. If you don't want any color anymore, click on no color. All right. This is the font color. What do you want? Okay, I want it blue. Purple. So to change the font, the text color. That's the A. While this is to clear all formatting, you want to go back to normal. If you're typing now, let me say sorry. If I'm typing here, if I should type enter, that means I'm still typing on the same format that I've selected, right? But no, go back to I want to go back to beginning to default. So I can easily tap enter and click on this clear format. Then the cursor is going to go back to normal. So anything I'm typing right now is normal. About to be big. Hope you're understanding everything I'm explaining. So that's all about the font and the clipboard. The font and the clipboard. In the next video, we are going to be talking about paragraph, how to use a paragraph, and how to use colon, bullets, alignment, spacing, indent, border, and all. Then the style, find, replace, select, and editing. Thank you very much for staying up with us with the video. Have a nice day.